Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Payoneer SMS code not received problem. First, check that your network signal is working properly. Make sure you have a strong network coverage. If your signal is weak, move to a better location or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and airplane mode. Then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off again. Then make sure your phone's number is correct on your Payoneer account. If you've recently changed your number, update it from your account settings. Also, head over to your Gmail app and check if your inbox is full or if you have blocked unknown messages. Restart your phone and request the code again. Sometimes simply restarting the device fixes the issue. If you do not receive the code, choose the option to receive the code by voice call if available. You can also contact Payoneer support to update your phone number manually. And that's how to fix your Payoneer SMS code not received. Subscribe for more quick or simple fixes.